Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook Mora Meat in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch a game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, search for a place with fire, like this one right here in Mondstadt, go near it, and then press F to interact. So here are all the items you can cook in this file. Here search for Mora Meat, which is right over here. Click on it. So the ingredients we need are 1 raw meat and 1 claw. If you have these ingredients in your inventory, just click on this cook button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so, and then click on cook manually. Once it's cooked, the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!